And this is Sarah. And today we're making recyclable paper. You will need a mold and a deckle.
You'll also need 2 rubber bands to keep it together when you do it. When you put it together, you want to make sure that you have the mold on top and the deco on the bottom. And the screen part should be in the middle, not at the bottom or the top. Then when you get that aligned, you could have somebody hold it for you and then put the rubber band on. And same thing on the other side. Now that you have that done, you can either get a little container and pour it into the mold, or you can get something like this and dip it in.
So you dip it in. Oh, this is the right way. You dip it in and you shake it.
You want to dip it in and you shake it to get the plastic.
You might want to tilt it a little bit because you're running out. Here, tilt it a little bit so she gets a little more. There you go. Perfect.
Once you have that,
wait, you need a little bit more. You want to make sure you cover it up.
Once you have that, you're going to spread it around. And then you're going to squeeze the water out. You just put your fingers in.
And you want to make sure this is thin so it's not like construction paper. And it might fold up like a little bit like that, but you can just smush it back down.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it might come apart like it's happening for us, but you can just add a little bit more with that. Okay. Now that we have that done, you can just smush it down, make sure all the water's out, most of it.
Once you're done, you have to once you've taken the water out of it, you have to bring it to a drying place.
You want a towel to flip it onto so that it doesn't stick to anything else.
Go get more outside.
As you can see, there's a lot of paper.
A lot. So we can come over here where there's feet.
Sophia.
Right here.
So now,
You make sure you have like enough space for it.
and now you're going to take the rubber bands
The rubber
off,
bands off that you put on earlier.
and you're going to take the bottom off, or the top.
And if there's any holes like this, you can just cover it back up when you get it back on. And you can like mold it into shape better to make it look better. Squeeze more down. And then you just want to flip it onto the paper. Towel.
And then you have your paper.
But
you
there
just have
is
to let
just
it dry.
a hole right here, so
You can actually shape it. Shape it around so that there you go.
Presley?
yeah, you can just shape it back into its place. Maybe pat down on it a little bit more. And remember, the thinner the better.
And you can write on it.
You could also add some glitter on it, which we probably do not have.
Like
but
this
these
one.
ones have
You can add glitter.
like a beautiful demonstration of glitter.
And you can add string, like that one.
You can add lots of string, and you can even write words with the string. But we're just doing it.
Great. All right. Thank you, girls.
Thank you.
You're welcome.